This is the Woodford 34HA-BR or brass. So we'll go ahead and take it out of the packaging here. This does fit the Woodford models 20, 25, and 65. So with the vacuum breaker here, should come with this rubber O-ring right here on the end, at the start of these threads. We'll go ahead and take a couple measurements. We'll get a total height or length. So it measures right at about 1 3/4 inches. An outer diameter here of this end. That's right about 1 1/4 inches. And then from this end, we'll do an outer and inner diameter. That's the outer is right at about 1 inch, with the inner diameter right at about right above 1/2 inch. Yeah, once again, this is the Woodford 34HA-BR vacuum breaker.